What's good, YouTube? It's Lenny, and in today's video, I'm playing some Control while also telling a story of when my car would not start after I got my groceries. Anyways, don't forget I am live on Twitch 3 to 4 times a week at twitch.tv/TheLenny. So go ahead and click the link in the description below, pop up over there, because I'd love to see you. Lastly, like the video if you like the video, comment if you have anything you want to say, and subscribe if you want to see more. Y'all take care and be easy. Oh, tell me about your car? Dude. So, I'm thinking, let me run over there to HEB while I'm on my lunch break. 30 minutes, my HEB super close, right? I run over to HEB, get my food, or get the things I wanted. I'm chilling, cooling, taking my time, looking at things I might want. So yeah, so I'm chilling, boom. I get to the car, and my car will not start. It hits the little tick 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 for a split second, but then nothing, right? Then absolutely nothing. And then, so I was of course walking around to see if anybody had jumper cables. There was 2 people that I met. They had the jumper boxes where they have like the little, like it almost looks like a battery box, if that makes sense, or like a boom box, funny enough. And then it has, of course, the cables that come out, and it literally, you just got to keep it charged, and it charges your battery. But yeah, so I am sitting there. We tried to charge it once. It would not start off the jump. I could not jump it twice in a row. So I'm like, that means the battery's dead. So I go to the store. Not the store. What the hell am I saying? I walk home. I get my girlfriend's car, drive back to the to HEB. I take the battery out, go to O'Reilly's, pick up a new battery. Or first things first, I test my battery, and they said that shit was shot. They said it was shot, like it was like ticking, like it's trying to even just get any electrical connection to the battery tester. So they test that, just absolutely chalked. Nemesis Alti for sure. They check that is like dead as right? So I'm like, okay, boom, can I just get a new battery? Boom, buy the new battery, take that $250 payment on a chin charge to the game, right? So I'm like, okay, boom, literally all I gotta do is oh, mind you, I called my boss, let my boss know everything. She was really cool about it. Just let her know, boom. I'm literally walking home right now because my car died. Super cool about it. Don't worry about it. We're straight with work, right? So boom, that's good. So after I get my battery, W boss for sure. After I get my battery, I get my battery, I go back to HEB, I replace the battery. You know, I put the new battery in. I put the new battery in, right? Oh my lord, I almost died there. I put the new battery in. That still won't start. Oh my, ooh, Octane, you almost caught it. But that still wouldn't start. So I'm sitting there like, okay, at this point, I gotta call a tow truck. And the tow trucks always take a minimum of an hour. Or not, maybe not a minimum of an hour, but an average of an hour. But I had to go back home, so I got back in my girlfriend's car to go back home. Got back in my girlfriend's car to drive back home to put my chicken away. That way my chicken doesn't spoil and rot and die. Then I had to walk my happy ass back here. So then I had to walk my happy ass back to the store what's the word? Walk my back to the store to go wait at my car to get, so I can be there when tow truck man's there. So I can be there when tow truck man is there. Get there, we tow the car. I'll ask them like, hey, what do you think it is? Since I, you know, have a brand new fucking battery in there. Kill the car. I almost did. Almost blew that up right there in the parking lot. Didn't care. So I asked the tow truck driver what he thought about the car, or what he thought about my car being absolutely or just at that moment. Lord, oh my goodness, they're just all W content. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I was fighting so hard on whether or not to get food or keep, or is to like save money and cook the chicken that I thawed out already. And thankfully, we won that fight, baby. We won that fight, baby. So I came home, got everything out my car, got all my tools, my toolboxes, that out my car. Came home, prepped dinner, hopped in the shower while dinner was cooking, got out, ate some dinner, watching Better Call Saul. It's just, you know, thankfully we ended the night off really well. I'm really happy with how the night, you know, ended. And then we hopped on stream. So, I mean, that's just beautiful. Okay. My aim is just chalked. Car blow up is W content. Yeah, now you're crazy. Right here. No shot. No shot. You thought that bamboozle was gonna work. I literally saw you shoot it out. But yeah, no. All in all, just a, you know, not the best day. Not the best day. But like I said, at the end of the day, we're streaming. Had dinner was good as too. I'm really happy I didn't cook. Funny enough. That's not a one clip. Damn. Aim is terrible. Damn, your car must have been on the show Impractical Jokers. It had to be on something, bro. It was on crack, cocaine. Like, it was just not on go. Like, it was on everything but start. It was on everything but go. Oh my goodness, that was so annoying, man. And the thing about car troubles, it's like, oh, it's so annoying because it's like you have to take care of it. Because your car, I can't just leave my car at HEB. Who the missed their shot on me while I'm not looking? Oh, you're goofy as hell. You're gonna die though. I'm gonna ego challenge, huh? I should, right? He's not even ego challenging me when he knows I'm crack. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Ego challenge me, brother. Where were you gonna go? You not realize where I was shooting you from? No way he did, right? Okay, I was about to say this. If I don't get this kill, I'm not gonna lie, I might lose some respect for myself. I'd fight the car. Don't let it disrespect you like that. Listen, man. I tried fighting the car. I did. And it disrespected me more because I couldn't beat the car up, you know? No shot. I'm ass. What did he kill me with? Get me out of here. I'm dog. We can low-key come back, but I gotta get my ass on B and get these off A. Like, come on, y'all. Are we just dog? We a dog team, man. Kill him. Thank you. All right, we're getting caustic ulted. This f***ing Gooberton is setting up. You're so weird. You're so weird. Some BS, bro. I hate when that happens, dude. Car troubles, oh, they just really make you not want a car. Oh my god. Damn. I'm getting ulted and then triple swung.
They got his own. It won't last.
Damn, I'm just getting double teamed and I have terrible dog. My teammates are, oh, brother. Oh yeah, I don't know what the f I was even expecting.